families. Thank you for joining our family math night. Today we're going to explore equivalent fractions and learn how different fractions can represent the same amount even when they look different. This is an important third grade math skill because it helps students compare fractions and reasons about their size. Our learning goal is giving visual fraction models. Students will identify and explain equivalent fractions using models and multiplication strategies. Let's start with this question. Is 3/6 equivalent to 1/2? At first, these fractions look different because they use different numbers. But instead of guessing, we're going to use visual models to prove our answer. First, let's look at a fraction strip or area model. Here I have a rectangle divided into two equal parts, and one of those parts are shaded. That shows 1/2. Now I have another rectangle divided into six parts, and three parts are shaded. That shows 3/6. When we compare the shaded areas, we're noticing something different. The shaded parts cover the same amount of space. Even though one fraction has bigger pieces and the other has smaller pieces, the total shapes are equal. That tells us fractions are equivalent. Now let's connect this to a math strategy students also use in class. To find equivalent fractions, we can multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. For 1/2, we multiply the numerator and denominator by 3. We get 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. Got it. That gives us 3/6, which matches our visual model. This works because multiplying the top and bottom by the same number keeps the value of the fraction the same. Now it's your turn. Try this together. Is 4/8 equivalent to 2/4? Draw a model or use the fraction strips to prove it. Explain how you know the fractions are equal. Remember, in math, explaining your thinking is just as important as getting the answer. Thank you for learning with us tonight. Using visual models and talking through math helps students build strong understanding and confidence. We're excited to keep learning together. Have a wonderful night.